Making coffee in a turbo is not only beautiful, but also economical. And coffee brewed at home can taste just as good as a cup of espresso. It turns out even denser and brighter due to the long extraction and the fact that the coffee and the liquid spend all the time of brewing together, not separated by grids and filters. Although some people dislike Turkish-style coffee precisely because of its density and the fact that sometimes you have to spit out coffee particles that get on your tongue. But they are the ones who have tasted the wrong coffee. If you do everything properly, the flavor will be harmonious, the foam will be lush, and annoying sediment will not get tangled on the tongue. In this article, we will tell you how to choose the right turbo, what kind of roasting and grinding beans to use, also about the subtleties of coffee preparation, and describe the whole process, literally, to the second. Choosing a turbo. Before you start making coffee in a turbo, you need to first choose the right turbo. Professionals prefer to use for brewing coffee a thick-walled dish made of forged copper with a silver coating inside. Even better is a fully silver turbo, but the cost of such equipment can reach up to $1,000. So you have to decide whether you want a Bentley or quite satisfied with the Audi. Copper jig is not cheap, but it's a lifetime thing. You buy it once and pass it on to your grandchildren. It is better not to use more affordable stainless steel turbines. Their heat conductivity is many times worse. The coffee will be brewed unevenly and will taste hollow and flat. The shape of the pot is important. It should taper smoothly towards the neck, but not by more than 1/5 in diameter difference. If the neck is too narrow, the crema will rise too intensely and the coffee will not have enough time and water to brew. If the neck is too wide, the coffee will interact with the water more than necessary and the flavor will be unsaturated and flat. Another important point, choose the volume of the turbine so that it is enough for exactly 1 cup. It is not customary to pour coffee from the turba into several cups. The crema, as the foam is called in professional language, is unevenly distributed and the flavor is broken.